important.
In the intensive care unit or critical care unit, every second counts. Let's explore the essential equipments that ensures the highest quality of patient care. First is cardiac monitor. This device continuously monitors the patient heart rate, rhythm, oxygen saturation, and other vital signs. It alerts staff to any abnormalities that may require immediate intervention. Next is mechanical ventilator, also known as respirator. It supports or replaces spontaneous breathing in critically ill patients who are unable to breathe adequately on their own. Next is infusion pump that delivers fluid, medications, or nutrients directly into the patient's bloodstream with precise control over rate and volume. Next is defibrillator. It is used during cardiac emergencies. Defibrillators deliver electrical shocks to restore a normal heart rhythm. Next is suction machines. Suction machines clear the airway by removing secretions, blood, or vomit, ensuring the patient can breathe properly. Next is pulse oximeter. This small but yet vital device measures oxygen saturation and pulse rate, helping to assess respiratory function at a glance. Next is syringe pumps. Syringe pumps deliver small doses of medication with high precision, often used for potent drugs like insulin or vasoactive agents. Next is ECG machine. Electrocardiography records the electrical activity of the heart to detect arrhythmias, ischemia, or infarction. Next is crash cart. Not your typical crash. Crash cart contains life-saving medications, airway equipment, and a defibrillator, all ready for emergency response. Next is AmbuBag, also known as bag, valve, mask, or manual resuscitator. A handheld device used to provide manual ventilation to patients who are not breathing or breathing inadequately, commonly used during CPR or emergency transport. And the last one is portable X-ray machine, a mobile imaging device used at the bedside to check tube placement and assess lung conditions without moving the patient. These critical tools in the ICU or CCU save lives every day. And as nurses, understanding how they work ensure we deliver safe, timely, and quality care.